slippers crocs igo toko barangeri munyara ko mugocha sama matefi mitumba munyara ko mukwenyorera emisigo ya Canada grade 1 karo wachire mama matefi mitumba ntubwate obosemia ntowanetia baligereri bali siko bali batete gochaka biashara bachicha sama matefi mitumba elinde banyare ko bakonyora oboseminga nakiba wanete bachaka biashara bya mitumba inki batakire bakore ko bwate chiri busta na 500 sama matefi mitumba kwanyorere karoboto kere number 1 elindo nyare ko bagokwenda na karoki kenyare ko bagego gokonya
atarere imeyomo cy'omusongo ase nyombere ya Imperial eyo chirigeraneti amune nyumba ya St Jude ground floor room number 1 na number 2 akesimina kubeka eoda ya olero Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells
abiro kama Matefi Mitumba Bells ayudo bag maber at a low price bada wewe welcome Uchakia goseko gendrea obonchore bwa mitumba inchumu wa Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells
Ndizi TV obwansu bwomogusi
omogusi ine kwabiri gukuriye skuru ngiya asura abikira umwana wo cingekero cingiye cy'amasomo bono skuru ya Sister Michaela Girls Secondary School yuko tukase bara ya Kisi Oyugis angena Cardinal Tunga High School Musocho naryo lichibuliao niko babwati birasi biya ebigare asabana bagosomera buya ebyo bire bicenu asibuko babwati nyomba cyo kurara cingiye nande cincenu kirage aboro kiko bagosoma se skuru ye niko bali abacenu nabo igo babwate cimbo cingiye kirage abali bagosoma se skuru ye niko babwate bamanyi biguro ase otawwenga mwano takonyora semi cingiya mbabwate computer lab eyurengiya asabana bagutumeka ci computer kwemanya nabo igo gosomera mbabwate boigo science lab asabana bagokora megilidege science eyubwate bintu byonsi asumwana waranyara ubumenyi bw'igoro niko babwate library ngiya ase bitabu bicire ebyo umano aranyore kisemi elio asaserie asajaiga nigaragiya akomwana mazingira maya yogosomera niko bwigo bagukina ci talent cy'abana asibabwate scouts music group nemecheso ao onyolenga aigaboigo niko bagukina umwana kebo Kristo asamange batari nako bakira esimi agirira muretu umwana anyora amasomo aigoro
Ndizi TV obwansu bwomogusi
Biamono kigmo wancho muri ya television ya Ndizi TV baro bengi ya dosia sobereten ekero cyaragiye cyinse iseto n'igide kemero 32 ekimoroba ya bono kini kiza cyo rwego Afrika ya moja biamono kigimo mumwe tebutambe itukuriye Jumamosi ekero cyaragiye cyinga tubune kigatwakure amangana magiya somuro kukiyo kweke mugiya siasa mukakinze isano cya butuko iko tutuwa urumuri kabisa twakembaka asemese yikigimba ndokura amangana magiya gahari kigimo tumanya aboro twasege sensemo ya kabiri ndimo nabete nkote bya kuba uri tangani nabagani baito abutwari yadetie bayikire nyomba mbari bageniga igobara bagene siri tukuri yarera kuri ndi kuba manga bakire megayiga n'abasandi ba Ndizi TV asumuro buri ubwo cyumbu kigima ayo mo rero cyagiti umuro buri ubwo cyumbu umugabo w'ikiri gwibere na 20 na oyomo ayang mutinyuga datwega igatwara supumire botyo nere kigima asimugoro yabona igobono kuna dinago tebya niko bari bari ben gisore uyuro munyakirugo agwa bo mu Taifa Democratic Coalition na bwo Secretary General we kiama kya Kenya National Congress na bwo omugeni ukabiri akurukwa Richard Armstrong atandi nigaro mu Ntoria na bwo mwanasiasa kurwa yese county ya Kisii na bwo omuchi obusongo kigima ngoro ya bono tuyariganira kigima elinde tolenekie nga ngokwana tole aria turingite kabisa aria muna yanya rekanire tu ikire bone mugoroba ya bono tinta gitiko ira chinga kichinyinge ikiagera abo ginobara na mangana munware na babusi bagoteba igo irinde bono tukwara ne kigima noro cheka habu na ni nyumba ya itu very clear very neat toko kana buto ko seria na tora to begete TV ito do igere area we are looking very good muonekano mpya bumuro buri kweke umbu abo bono chirigo kabisa kabisa tinta tukora singaki pia ngani abageni karibu wewe bia
mbya mano
asante no mugomwe
mbya
twara sirandiri
naende mbya mano so torangire gocha
yes
nyasaye no mbya
mbya mano matuka mangi twara sirandiri chingagi kangu kwanore karibu sana atandi asa matuka mangi karibu
okay
bon tuwajake naye twara sirandiri kuriria twasirandi boka bono bitore binge byakorekanire ga mboka bono igoro igango elire tomanya gwaswasingana yito yabona mugoroba
mbya mano
yes
asa mangana na watereti itwarenga
yes
nini yorete kwa mbodete ngana ke
yeah
gusi oversight tararakana
yes
ngagwatevinga ntoiko makirio mwana matemwa
yes
atagakora esirabasi twakora
okay
naende you can attest
na mangana kwa kwanete
ina koruririe esirabasi ajite nuroje bono gusi oversight na korate pero
negendrete
okay igobono kurugaiga nabo tukonyara kubura ningana ki
naitoikire
inyungu ngagieterekire
yes
rigari asenya gaterekiru igata ngariti yatekire osenga giere
yes
bono ami advance that
diamano kigima atandi kortu atiganite ngakine tabe ya etire na ki climate kia siasa kigendrete kusene kia yogendrete kuruchika kichwa kabora
kwanza tienda koteria asante asoko ngilibai
diamano
wese tu agatiganite ndo chenga
batuka hajiri
matuka wera mangira kile baada ngari tukio baada ya tai
good
ikawa ndo chenga morire ga itretare
yes
yatore ndende bagambi bari bachore tu to bari gerereti
yes
ana barawa parabuya ana barawa nyansi chigo
gokabanye
aroli nol atango bokatu
okay ndio mno kigima bono ndutoke titoke ndamangana banke bono wiki yemwe yachaka goja tetu chakero robot umura ibwense siasa cha national tumego triboka ko chanseiga abana mbagoma abana bake bako Gen-Z bayibwire ko chakero mwaka 1996 ko chapakanga 2013 14 yabo bako ku Gen-Z mbagoma bagatebanga ebintu byonchererie barosire mbabu ati bintu biribiganira batebeti gwikaboro tiano chakana kuru asesemo yao yakabiri gwikira boniga kwa no kuri gi climate kia siasa gwikira boniga ningi kiagera twenyore tasturega igaboniga
asante engento ndatege getangani ngaringa Gen-Z ababo chakagoma tarigento kemura api
okay
tarigento kia itukoriko tarigento kia mutie nyomo kia wiki usikio mwaka nebintu bya korekanire gocha akabona yaikire none gara wewe gabanya kwimurunga nyomba nabo mwana ko ngaki mama rero akimurunga tata rero akimurunga atabanga lendo bugima bwa kongere gochia so ntoko atabanga na serikali ya Kenya kwanza yoka ya Gen-Z ka pakagoma ni bintu mbiro gocha kwa mfano ngakirere go igokora abagambi ababetu za serikali ite yao binga nere yo kera bakenya
okay
yani ntubwata benyeji na bari bakomba
okay
torio mufano mnabona previous government kwa mufano kuna which number plate chichigali
yes
ekera bari kujenji number plate chichigali na kujenji chichigali abantu ntu politician babona kyone kwa kule tegali
yeah
kara kwa kule gali ko bara bake number plate ino yare ngiye ko barabona kare kujenji number plate usabukiri musatu
okay
ngiye no genda bwero siri number plate chike no siri yeli moja ngora the other day baba ngena number plate go cost around 400 200 3000
okay
no muyule kare wita nyamba na ajiri beji sata kana managa no mwana fees
yes
abana abagenzi no bari nyomba
okay
abawa de maybe ngatu atwali turi ko semo basa bago kwa matai ya sanchi yo ya tora atani fees ocho yugo bara ngona na kinga kia serikali ya toge ya ko ngiro
okay
to je ndo na housing le housing tax housing levy kia de 2022-2023 financial year aba Kenya mbangiti because abantu baroro baire te loan woniga e pesi pia iko na chwe loan ko ile to kaga kinyo serikali yama nyabocha aba barabu na bakwate chinguru batumyige kuba ko vozi nanda bakona chibese chinyomba bono kwanyoranya kwa budget ngaki chibese jigani chigiro mwana college kwanyana chibako nacho akaro mwana go bonna bana kitata ko sente go chira college ko matenga mano oro chengo na chwe eloni yenyo mbe tamanyata na serikali ya tuna chiri bintu bako ko singile na bata yango chibara bato
yes
you see Kenyans ba kana de go ya singile they give their reasons
okay
na dina jite ga na ore na ki kwa mfano no ndile na kwa citizen na wako kwa mfano chinse chito kwa kompia na chiro
yes
chia kwa dila magana housing ya succeed e culture yabo for example ngaki
okay
e culture yabo muna into ya Kenya akaro muntu itasirire eto kumuira buwaye
wikaende kasi ngwiri kurwa
kwanyora nyatabu ati nyomba kama tumuharangire ona serikali ya tufosiri ya tuna jire US ya tuaga jire nyomba kwa mfano
yes
tuachira for example tuachira tuamenya sisi nyomba echi kerana akure
ayoko irwa
abangare tunka ndugutwige tigo oseng iga sisi nyomba echi nemba begete cemetery oro chikantu kune chike chasakisiriza samane sisi nyomba mederi yego sampo abande babwade cemetery baene dabe culture yabe
okay
culture doesn't accept that
ndrekirabo
bona ndaba chagete bara mekia abakenya barangira ngakiko ya jumo era cemetery watu kutwa
okay
it's very normal kusoko sambo mo
tikatra korako bono tigangicheka kase ben no Kenya ga kurwa mutuka maiga kurtwa agete chukura mpaka boda iga ningikia ire twenyorire ga storo manto muchando yo chitenga ne mangana yo korobekana ndivyo traika chikaunti gara kininga ngori ekiaga naona bana bali bagutiana na bagukura na kurugura ari gutrimbo kabaresa ingiaga tukenyora gaiga
bebana mararia naende bona tigangake naende ngire ibageri ya bene ko wakira ngambi yamono ko nyara watunyora ibageri ga ya bene chinga kibunechi. This is a very special moment.
Yes.
Number one, tiganda ara irama gombane kuchia sechi family chiri chia siri abantu babo. It is a sacrifice. A sacrifice that didn't have to happen. Lakini ya chire asama wakaito.
Yes.
Namba igere. Tigangire ibageri gandi gerete kamereria. Inda akira abasai. Ababaitu bakurukunga jenzi ngambya mano. Kiagara batorente ire eginto kiarwani omanyete engabune gari kwa meta matobe egari jenkonya ko Yesu kiore lakini you need the final push. They have pushed us to a point we are having a national dialogue.
Okay.
Igo amagomba na chiroro naende na akira basaba nambye mono. Ina kitu achire gaiga. Ese kwenyora. Naende ntweba umurari. Freedom Corner noroche gari pa kia sanara ko kunga Freedom Corner.
Yes.
Inki kia gareta Freedom Corner ko kunga Freedom Corner. Is because mtu abugata abana bi university then. Mwanda wilo wa muganga. Na bande. Abantu abugata prisoners of war babo koyiwa wa mwele na bande. Okay? Ababa abayigori babo bakiete gari abagira. Bakagenda bagakambuwa mpaka bakarusi kiyanga. Okay? Baba akwenyeka emekarichi. Ndio tuwata Freedom Corner. Na ende ekamala koreta repealing of section 2A. So again to Gen Z bago kora is a continuation. Ngeko gara na bukwe bonni ngeko rango bakya ngambi yamono. Bani ndiko bamba akoreke. Engabono monyorori etereri ise kuruo. Bono baage etereri ya bwatire. Baki president yakoreke. Ya chire ngot otegere.
Okay.
But here is the thing. and I will not go without saying this.
Okay.
Gen Z will take credit. Ndakira kwanza umuzike Cheruyot. Nkwaro cyo koirana agateba ngakiyekeiga inche buno muntu. You know the conversation made with Kechake change must change with you.
Okay.
Cheruyot agateba nga inche buno muntu none kinda uni the majority leader.
Yes.
Na riri ebindiko.
Okay.
Omwana Teresia.
Yes.
My friend, Richard Momoyi Monyonka.
Na kwa the son.
Agakwana. Akariembaka. Akatetevya naende tukaiwa.
Okay.
The truth. Okay? One Ningotevi as a president, the only problem why we're here, which is your question, is that our president, almost William Samuel Ruto, he is always one step too late.
Okay.
The speech he gives today, yesterday.
Okay.
The actions he's doing today,
okay.
Lakini rende, daichache kodire, towacha nyasa ngambia wana.
Gato mwagire biamano kuikira bono gestwa ikirabera amandamano gusokorobekana kugendera. Tagete origererie enkwana y'umurai gwense. Abana bakira hamo batebire tutagetie finance bill. Ande kumujikoroka ngata i finance bill yabato muchando ase engane yose agestore. Finance bill yari ngomna ni trigger. Abana banyembaga yakiri kurumaiga. Emire murede ibintu batebetuwe kingira cyari yetu kinga kicheke. Cyuko sobora ayo kwemega. Finance bill nase bari kurigeri bago sokera. Kono egera no nyomura ibwezo ni tugutete badabantu makareke bayenete bara. Ninkyo kagete kyagerire abana aba bafauliti ekyara kero kuri nona mandamano muskira ilo dikakabekire mbanya wika state parliament kulengana na inkyo kagete kyagerire abana aba bagahika parliament bakabakikosoyi.
Asante Seriswa. Wewe ntaweka vera abana baigete parliament. Number 1 nacho serikali ya Kenya kwanza. Bara arrogant. Babuate kiburi kete.
Okay, arrogance.
Babuata machayo. Yale. Uruno babu sore karaba kwa na adana liwe wala kite twakore. Bueno, ekara bana abana ko batari ko ya bana de toti to sajo. Number 2, bana babuati leader. Ekara leader, for example, tiga kongkara raira ta nyara ko enta satan ababandi ba ko mobuati. But in the our leaders, meaning na babu puru jerere onsi pato kara parliament. Tega ras mauru jerere bogata. Pero monto ga itu parliament ko huwa tadi abo nya raira para
yeah.
So because they have no leader, that is why Baba take like at the parliament.
Okay.
Yes.
Asande gutwara umurai kuruma gatwara rire ekero muntu agwato umurai yaroro akora agento gete kurangiri kwa idikia mwatire ge serikali yaroro naki orangiri kando bagwe kirekiaye otiga ayo muno kwa bera subura yisamba tukaba disadvantage y'abana ba utatwara umurai nere egende kiabo kichikogendera igabata bwa umurai paka 2027
nje kwa wewe
na boli
ndio maana I don't know umurai ningo eke wata yeta bwa umurai tima itingo umurai ningo lakini tikatola nyorege ntake mokero we have to be very categorical.
Yes.
And I told you abana baiga ingiba ukwana ayo umurai
bagwate bintu bakuburi kurumaga betara korubiya ebibata gete
egende babata angeringa tuwangainiro amatukamange bono Ruto must go. That's what they are saying. I can tell you gente keiga eke ngoburito ngoburito sari kwa yana no eke ngoburito kwa machire bogosoka omwana agosoka tukomuza ujinanga ngabona kwa musiro ngoburito. It doesn't work. We had Kenya AM. Okay? Ruto aka create a nation in a nation. Akayirukanga Hasola nation. Okay?
Yeah.
That became a nation in a nation.
Okay.
Tugatwara the haves and the have-nots. Okay?
Yes.
Enaga acha uno mwana gw'omutaka kurusugoi agatebanga bottom up, mama mboga, mtu wa pikipiki na kila mtu agateba ni tutokora usiki
Serikali.
tolo iwana ritangani ekereiro ogambi akararo ka bande chi dynasty no nyote mpaka then oyo olenge deputy governor ya Kisii County egari ya yako machigo samberwa Narok.
Yes.
And most people will tell you inga igendonki arenga ari no nyense ino onye ko bwata kanyomba yo kwetiri bati oyo bwato bonyanzi iga ngoko kane dynasty
Kira no mutu wake kumugwa.
ewono ekaba us versus them.
Yes.
Ruto create a nation omanyi tendo bwata Italy.
Yes.
Rome. Bwata na Vatican.
Okay.
One of Vatican is a city within a city. And the Pope Nehru is the president. Okonyanga no the president erike goja ekere kire gari Vatican. Weka correct? Weka genda se? The Pope.
Yes.
Owena uzuri.
Nike man.
So Ruto created a nation within a nation of Kenya kokunga asola nation.
Okay.
Ekere asola nation ye yamu crown ko beki. Akacharoka akagenda ko be dynasty.
Okay.
We have seen office of the first lady Njakabeiro. But again tongere mpaka Kisii University ya chetenga office of the first daughter.
Yeah, kwanete.
Office of the first daughter with a budget of 1.7 billion.
Finish wala si nyingi sana.
I can tell you today, sitting where sit.
Yes.
And I can tell you finance bill of Congo Yambo Arengo.
Yes.
Remember I told you I'm the chairman of finance PPLC Kenya.
Okay.
Na ende pa dotinda rozgono mwako kane. I have interacted with the budget.
Okay.
I did a memorandum with my committee to the Senate and to the House. We defended it. Ekeroko nyonga all political parties, including UDA. UDA gets more than 500 million.
Okay. As a member of political parties,
UDA gets over 500 million.
Okay.
ODM gets 300 and something.
Okay.
But the total is 1.4 billion.
Okay.
Lakini office of the first daughter gets 1.7 billion.
Go to the
you see, when we are talking of this, okay, our Gen Zs, are they real or not real?
Biamono kigima. Omuntu mugireya natoka ndrete bono ya chake ko kwata sikigima onye ko ra nyumba mu awishara tutulire ti mukoro ya bono ngaite petro ko begere na bayesi migoro kabo elinde otolikere bo charege mukoro ba ya bono tulikeri ko ngare birenga bya odikiu kageta ikiagera abana bagasoye bahara wikaboniga na ndo kagete mbaike omoka bwikiri bwibere nemero bwibere na isaba bibere bagendera gusuguma ebintu iga ande yake no opposition ya rara egiye kageranga abana abo basohoke bono babere official opposition side bagendera gusuguma ebintu sana begere bakomura ibwese ayikire kurugera masari ngigoro oyo kokuna Klaus Nyakezi ataba she's watching biamono kigima naro guzaro zasi ataba sharo mukwa nabande aspari baye no barigere kurwa Kisii Gatembe biamono kigima Victor Mondo mijienda watching live kurwa Nairobi West tuko pamoja bako mwerio na kefa tuyambia mono kigima tulikire evidengere byao kubwatekana nayo nabo ngo bari bagendeze kuri YouTube na inwe tobekera ujumbe inogabo elinde tonyare konye ukirigere kabisa ne namba yesi migabo naro bono tulikire elinde tosome gaiga tonyare ko twara evidengere ryo ebyo kigima taire ndasore mheshimiwa Tandi gogira boniga ni mwana siasa abana siasa mbe bisete boniga usokoregereria none mbe yikuruya chaiga bana siasa mbe gosoka na mbo bigo chwa kero monde simine ki itwe TV to kuwa na mangana okali ko tabinda boniga binto biribiya karatiga ke tigatura gorgi tigatura iga maiga baka chinga kigete elinde mandi gukwana otete kwa mberinga gete kemba kero chikurukare gete kemba keroje ne omaite wale gete kebwa trend ya bato bose onye kuri serikali ya UDA kuruguru paka go chance no ense ke naona ba msie pa gukwana monobodi gasingi bamba tena ki no bale serikali ne bana nabo bunge boka ngibwa tende bakumura ibwense utete konte bina umura ibwense muske William Ruto aba bungi baka aba MCA bonzi ba UDA serikali go vacancy mbaro tena gente kingo go kaga ikaba to ke chuba sokeba
tege ntonka gere tengelinga aba Kenya na wate para abanye bari bayige nsaba gandi aba bakaranga ma nomo abantu abaraya mubu atimini no kwana mwakwana mangana era mwakwana tinka gere tingo ndera ro ila opposition go se government ukagere tinga abana ambaje para ne jirandera ne sibi all inora be tinga Kenya aba bakole mangana ya
okay
Ujumla riba bara iraba protest wa tandu wa bakaenda bakaranza bakarumi gwe kibara barumi gwa bakira ujumba bayire tenga abana bamali parole vacuum bara iraba tikire all turura iraba banya go occupy an opposition lakini karo korigere yes maja cyo muga ponto muajete asnaro no kwata utinga bana ogakari
guturagirira
bana to very serious bwana kwanyoro
oiruge doge bono
tuona asmaja cyo kuma usina taire gete kini jirago cyo oncho ke kona akaranga anya tari yenta ko be bya
lakini getu kwa inchi esa serikali ya Kibaki na lenge omonto oyomo asoyoro ko kwa Afrika tereta mangana yuko gachi ingwetira serikali ya elia Jubilee ne kireta kae woni gorote nguri yari kirgo kiaki kyobo mogwa orongo kwa Afrika yigwa tia Addis Ababa Ethiopia ndio ko muzuguma ne serikali ya Kenya kwanza iye ko mutebina ki tubone tukufona kendigyo sikera chinga kingira kwana bakatebana bona ikira tugusugume okore bitebisi ko mini ninga nkokora gira karingira gite
lakini rende wona umanyete that is a conclusion that we make with no proof ndani ari ndenga juna nje bonana ki ngaki yako riye kero muna banta bagenda kwa swaga nje to kima nero ko basera kiya gasera rugoje ona kiba baraki batari ko musira mwana basera banda bakwara so siasa na bere ko diga mai conclude nga ko wari ga to probably ko wari ko lakini ere igire ngita baraki aba gaso
okay
eti bona bana nyora nero wa ruto bo elia kira ruto mo bona bindi bena ko change ni so lakini ondeta yo kadere denga ngakine ke abana ababa da abona mata abana ba da ready to die
ni ke man ni ke na tegre no space liga njira ba ku na bo ta asira na ba to ready
in fact da ba ta abanga bataramanya gusaba ta isiko yo ga mono muna yo ga mi da wa de no re I know why na go te dinga no ra se county government winto bilis ko ga ya omonto ko nyori ndagara one no good meal in 48 hours na banta ba kesa lakini gara ko tema ko te dia ga ya baito na ndagara ko tema ko ra kuna na yime chande ye ko ruera ko te yo ko te kara as much as to target the national government that probably the county government o maine bodi no nyana itwa ba Kenya banyane igen tonkero ro embenere ya te ga Kenya office te yora agente squeeze no ne o private office ko te to ko le gasi no ne wa kanire no no ko na ba ma denga a facilitation fi nga wa kanite kire abana ba woro wa bugate tadi wa bugo ba to woro ba buga ba ko genda office te yo ya serikali
okay
ora agente ko ko le yeto ba ko re no mono ni online ba buga ta mara ribara chiko sungu chiwo moisu chisa jiri deadline ni uji ka baite internet
yes
baita ya portal isi
kwa ganya
as much as serikali ne feireti intubuna bakenya tu abira banta badera
okay
tu abira ba munda ka nore accident para ne for example na tu mujuzi na mirani tu mineta media ba keke
lakini ukarigiu
ono sigari yo baada ya tega na noma ya kende ama huko likere statement ngade ke maendo watu mera
Kenya
aseke mara ba insist bete ya kwando wa bonding abeke cash bill kwa beke cash bill matuka yeye na unataka sasa cash bill yani what I'm saying is this to tike kunya kwa ngena nanga ruto na ya uwe kwa rumo 20 kwa mfano grupu le rende oya tole grupu ya kwa ranga complaint kwa ya asini ya old boy na waswa group onkoni jibes uri kiro kwa tege tole kenga na we ketindi kiri na so oina ne ina serikali dogo jibo blame onye to watu wadi tangile kuna bono trust ti go to nege
yes
bwata jibes
boto kune
adini adine bwata ilika so I don't know nki kira na Kenya lakini I hope abana na bakora te abantu bache nchi ngena no bisi ndo bisi no ne ya ibande
yes
oh we kibande no ya amini me de kaba
to ya pape tigango bwa te gabu opposition ukagitena singi opposition ya fail ikiagera uskuri ri murai gwese igabot numbers uskuri kinamba cha UDA ni chinyingikire kata gete gwetikende gionzi ya kwetia opposition igateteru se ase ezemo ya parliament koro nukagitena egabu ya tokanera bana abairire bono ikiagera bono na bakororete finance bill kartunse bakororire batebire nga wage bill ya itogere igoro murai gwese koro kena chake kutore bitega no whatever na bajenzi abakira in fact the space day ko kana online inta ko ande yana bere no 30 minutes na inde mbage ndeta ko tiana na ibinto birebi oroche ba kwonete bakumura igwese akarengera dinaki agateba by Tuesday IPC ngo kanariki ngo bekaru muswadoria seiga also kibucha parliament ndi bakora banyo discuss IPC boro no kagete na jensi bana uba irire the official opposition ikiruge kyo ba irire body gasinge joroche abaire baruro
mbere mana ambe yamo nkwana buno magose ntobwato umuntu ori okorenge korokunga morality inki kiarenta to morality to prominence ekera basacha barara kerige ko bana inzinyo makwano obe bamureta korete etabwa morality agasoka neritemo ikagera tobwata morality ase history
okay
inke buno mu machoge bono na wongo tenga ndo bwatu nyagenke kungu na nyagenke sacha and you will know why that is happening. JNC na kena tell why they have come and taken the opposition.
Yes.
Which my answer is yes, they have filled the void.
Okay.
It's a void, but it's a continuation. I don't omatrika netiko wataringa na ki igigoma nikabanta abange ebakane tukorigirira JNC ego hajete kanyora ri bakadire bosaiga tigango teri Tanzania.
Okay.
Igoro.
Yeah.
Omuntu oyo omwe gasibetwe imusambire ibice ya Samia Suluhu uko murama iyo gusambira isakara lakini iga president ya Kenya rororo ikoramwa na ndete gareta na ndete wanjerana na kina hoteli na ki abaigani gotogende tegusuguma gurudumu.
Okay.
Na kina na hotebiga Ruta ka create ndo kwa nation.
Okay.
Akacharuka akagenda as a dynasty.
Okay.
Bagatigara without a leader. Ikiboniga what jensi bakora bagendete kurwanira impari twarwane to obusibure igoro.
Yeah.
Eyo agerete boniga ekogera bakubodi rutongara ki. This is a president.
Yes.
Ochire. Otengirenga bono tigatukwane. Bamba tenga antu ikukwana. Wikora atema bantu marenga bakwete babatayibona tiganyi cheka utokwana na ende bagenda bamero. So Kenya is a mature democracy.
Okay.
I will tell you. Igoro rigere Britain jabwe ate wachori. Nkwaro chebona shuna
arusitugoro
na enda akarworo he became apologetic
uchesa bantu bari
kwa celibero sina pole
twawiru. Yes.
Warore so JNC abana baitu na kityagera nara chaka nuko bongeza.
Yes.
So JNC kiritu agateri una nabagambi wa mambya. Okay? They have grabbed what we have given them.
Okay.
Bamanye rekorente gento yo radio to gabori Kenya JNC boniga eba bwate gento geko kuna meets NEETS. Lakini S is small. Okay? Because JNC, they are occupying their rightful space.
Okay.
Because woniga inkoroche president yaite gokwana. Oroche kera gokwana otango mumrana ikoruga adia saka onichi ngoko. Okatebanga ingabante bako enda korigi ingarakil nero korire gasi. We are now having
a conversation
abantu not employed.
Okay.
Boni abantu bako yenda nonye masters about education abantu abatu.
Yes.
Lakini ngendo bagenda technology.
Okay.
So they're using the technological space.
Okay.
Rightfully because when I go to the masters or to come to automara Dubai.
Okay.
Origere no gendo igorega ngwe batanga senior citizens you can work from Kenya mumanyeti, and that's what Gen Z wako correct.
Okay.
The failure has been bona do na kena ngona. The failure has been on our leaders.
Okay.
Because Pawiro Kongo nyane.
Yamano, tikatujire nsemo ya Pascal. Honorable Atandi. Nakia Pascal be handle tikiagara abantu baruri kurusana. Did they use excessive force to avoid the volume neyo? Pascal akiba kwa tebere ya. Kwa ngana no kwa ugai. Muno mwana siasa na ende muno mwana inchi.
I think excessive force ya ramba yusheti kwa sabana na ninkagerete as much as into problem direct tora aburi serikali nga ekera bako genda kutanga maandamano ya protest usiko nyalenda be peaceful ama sasa bako wa real bullet usiraba bullet
Yes.
serikali ya itekere ko gure binte kinungwe kinine na ninchi tiagazi nkyo montago kira demonstration ne chikoma ngo chira ko baba yago jara na masasi because they are real bullets kipata era kura bullets and then the worst part of it getting etu abwate sleeper yani omondo oringe parliament igoro akarole sleeper purpose legacy yao no ko room ya no ko room tori ogochiko ito mondo koso gochiko sam nero ko so koso bwate wipo baba yugo ko raso mwana wa ko bwa soka obwate sindi nete
Nejo ya machi ko ke bara.
necho ya machi you see bona ali no gutaka kubuli we don't understand well orders ikinga ichikuru ikibarengerete garaba bekete sniper chikora sabana bako protest. And then another thing igora ya basigari aba in fact no gukwana batari gukwana 80% or 70% agencies and the uniform yo kereta fauti abange baruriye barba waka abana mono bari bagwate bitore bari ba ya ketra kinya abana bake abago sumaye na bara singana wa singe bara manyo kutaba kwa ngara mono pasinte ya basigari abara bake ya kemeke paso metana abana protest para ba ko di university bakarari bara na abana abechinta no bara shamana mana uniform yo kabare.
According to you, Pascal ko nyaraba buiwe twagareta banajeshi ase amangana ye.
Yeah. And the good thing, pareta abami abaime as much as president itakagereta ko abami abagoje ko chaime ko chaisiko ba mekia basigari bakobo kwa sana.
Okay.
Because probably abasigari mara kwa abagwate kiburi muno ko aroje kwa somo to direct ko mo start ko mo speed.
Yes.
Ta ko kwa kama de ande ko kwa de baro la power ne ore kwa de gan. Abara rasuno muan. So that is why iko betenga abi baro kwa abana bara. Wanjito kwa sisi ko chest chest. So again the kiki arrange ya kwa nyite both sides.
Okay.
Abami baita naona wewe yake yote. Stokina tu kwa sababu kwa ndio kise chesiko. Na baro tia bara soka isko ba probably na baka nyora abana baba ereza bana bana mama itoko kupasa cruise the message.
Okay.
Only president ya tingi mechanda ye government ya nana. The communication was bad because ya bata banga batu buata. Nige kwa hiyo baba na wakongo. Na mfanye nini atakoma lakini for the last time we see that even a comma we are not going to change. You know what? It went through. And she patishi shingo part. Lakini abana hada ni babera is for long. Probably anga mangana ara magasi side ya bari baba.
Okay. Biamono ayinora sa mangana jibia ma ikiama na buga mangana ko coalition ya taifa. Timene dinu na kumukara iko revi to kiagara akamura say organization. Yes, the same way government communication yenu tumokonye kara. Ekira sukuligere ya mora ibu ese na tenga. Asinge jo communication na yeko gara ewoji kwende finance bill ya igere tukwe. Communication yiyo ya bire be asabanto bai bama okwana. Oligere kimani chungwa oyure omo braibu abange enjera okwana eluga tumeka sabana ya mente tomulero abana bakagechi kubaka industry ko batebina ebagwa kana ji iPhone baragera ke ya usiku. Osugure communication ya uyo kulukunga nere Susana Kumicha uyure CS ase wizara yo cheno enjira go no ndio umugomo ore go bana gitari abantu ma limit sana in general osukuri no no kwa bi serikali kulukunga nere uyo
mutunga
igago che isiko omani batabanga abana aba nigo bari supported na Russia imani se moyo gwede igago kwana boyo asenze mu communication asaba do more skill institution nga yimo raibwese afereti mpaka gacho kwikera toka soso mu chando
ya mama wole di boli di ya aso mu raibwese afereti na kwirani aga create a nation
within a nation. Good.
Ekarukunga hasola nation. Akamanya gocharoka akakoraki akagenda agachikobe dynasty agatiga baiga bare leaderless tigango bone bottom up mama mboga ndebi no mate imbare ngabare gari asema mama mboga barase cabinet boda
tinka gete timanye tigo so ndana akini se wali mate bado
to ba manyete wa timacho gonya ko kusi na to boina macho nero de para
ora tevi
okay
timanye tigo se macho boda
okay mtu wa mkokoteni
bado
igonga biri byonse pia tebete bikorete bio that's where disconnect came.
Okay.
Namba ibere iyo president ya chetero ekeraika umanyete tigangoteli agende abasacha mbaka urirwa abakungu korukare ekero gwachire gari onyora omugenkio kende gionsi gogo chokote gumo no mugenki tuigotegerera.
Okay.
Why am I saying that? Ekero kwaroche the first day a president ya kwanete protocol igogacha wako asogeta gakwa anganga shawo kwanete a president yamanya koraki yamanya gukwa he broke protocol.
Okay.
Nini hingo nyomberi ya koraki ya nebinto boniga ekigusiye kieto tanga gashawa agakwana mangana mamuamu gosa mangana ansoni.
Okay.
Namba isato ase president ya kietero ngi ase twenyorera bunatura kwa boli my brother ga.
Yes.
About in a police iko batumite excessive force.
Yeah.
Ono njenga netinko boringana ki asa maandamano should there be force. Ojaga agenda excessive force.
Yes.
Should there be force? Abasikali tigogo kirimiti obotobwa tokonyoro omuntu agocha tabegeti omanye gosokeria kabandi ganje no musikali ogosiba kuriera umusikali anywhere in a developed world igabone to gutware uniform because you should deter. Umusikali awene to deter. When you don't deter, then you are arrested. Nandeye abasikali baria igoba wene to kobororo. You remember before maandamano on Monday. Maandamano arengo on Tuesday.
Yes.
Ngwaro cy'abantu bako match. Abasikali barenge gari. Ngwaro cyo bako ngubonde. Ndena ibete?
No.
Ndena ageto musikali?
No.
Musikali na ruteterisas. Umusikali abwenete ekero kugenda ari uri nyapare ko batabinga abu musago cyarari. Ukire ganko gendore bobe.
Okay.
Igo the moment okora umusikali na iri risas. To start with, because there should not be any force.
Okay.
Okay. Number 2, umusikali abwenete ko akanungu. Okay.
Lakini tikakobori. Waitani gwakire bunge asa restricted. Ekiagara umuwaziri gwa mwana y'uburendi gwaime Kitsure Kindiki na atene inali akateba na maandika mo kwanda korobekana mo basagosowa State House, Mobasagosoa, Parliament, Mobasagosoa, High Court, asi nyumba y'iki serikali kirendire. Ikiagara kinse mu giro kitake kwando. Waitani rwakiro. Nkimenya rero mu sikari bana tagokora.
Wana tigango bori.
Ira ni bwamba
amaganda ko ira ni mai ko. Nambe yamo. Nyorega. Umubunge igare a representative ye constituency.
Yes.
Meaning okola abantu abaika bonse be constituency batagenda baikaransari igabwene tokategerera byokiyamo y'umunanchi lakini umuntu yomanyire kogenda ochiro bategere nyabonere no mujumbe mwiko mwikera uragenda nakyo akira genzi ngambuya uragenda amari omutebi ngabono nakire ngwate byokwana iga. Where is the problem?
Gore kwa nge asenga ni jo kilo.
Again, about what are there are some parts of Kenya. Aba Kenya what are the Kenya. Ni story tofauti maboro. Because the bunge aliyochaka kwa hiyo kila mtu wetu alijana bako bidokari
Na maji.
Mono wanyi sama. Bahiko ngagere watch people want.
Okay.
Wana bankuri bibale buchi. So tu bwa direct yo kora so muntu omo Kenya ngango chale bu. Eme chande menene kabisa muna nawa te nane muna kuirorera. Nekero abantu bali bachori na bali bakwenda against. Abantu bali
Kuga ni kwa wananchi.
no buya bono mono bwa maandamano aba bateba abantu abanga bakwana bana bakenya kwanza. Abantu bali bazi biyo bunantu etwe kasa to batanga tukaje
After all
we told them to kabu tikake barume. I think that is why I'm on space ya toka sababu para originally my central Kenya no maana abakere kenyo
Bakani direct.
bakere direct kilicho what abanyene bo bako bwana
Okay.
bako wana maana smajas if we benefit as a country.
Yes.
Image and then menene it's budgeted corruption. Budgeted corruption in Eluna. What was your budget?
What the you second chanda second.
No, the budget is supposed to reaching around 4 trillion. To a man, 6 trillion.
Okay.
2 trillion is really to talk about. Because you're going to corruption in a year. Make a wrong mortal to Chibas, excess of what you get already.
Okay.
Yeah, was about to give this corruption, the Minister of Health. Which I was not going to Arama Naro, to Araba Kenyan, one of the survey.
Okay.
I can use a good yeah.
Okay, I just second
Yes, and just
okay. You don't want to do before
I want to ask you this. Come on, one a bunge. Like another thing is House of Representatives, not House of Lords. In your area, Britain, the Prime Minister. Why do we have a Prime Minister? I will teach you some history. Asing King George the First. Akarose kerata antiko enda gari ase para sande ko ba ko enda. Bono agatebanga tigoyo mo inote nera. Emanya ko genda to report ase king. That's why up to today April Minister or na Kelly Johnson onyamana oyega wono aso tego. Akogenda as a Charles the king amanye ko ratify. Kenya got to have representatives, not House of Lords, not House of Commons.
Okay.
Why would it? Igo ga again take a parliament. Erime nyumba ya bananchi. Kende ki yoga state house. It's not called White House. State house.
Lakini ile budget to isi njirita yingi ya
Kwa kusini ni mwanangu tege. Taringa bara waswahili tigango bori. Kola tiga obwetero bagombu ya. No, where is the problem? Ekerongo genda mwane. Ekerongo charoka. Orbago? Ingatoro kono ekekona. Ingatoro
numurango ko.
Imwe to mara. Tigango bori. Imwe to mara.
Okay, chimesa ni
no. Buone, imwe to mara.
Naye.
Imwe gete tirisa. Naye. Imwe gete to bako.
Naye.
Imwe decide tinga ingoeta. Nije. Igondo decide go. Taro bako igoro. That is the problem.
Nendo Mugambi.
Yes.
Ibanyore what money
Navera wembo kwa parliament.
Yes.
Lakini wana ambao watakuwa na masasi. Abasigari go bari beka mo ba perimeter. Abasigari body perimeter won. Body. Batanga abana aba. Baso.
Ngote kutayenga taibana jelsi bachite parliament. Abantu mbaro basoete iminga ko bana siasa nkuri kuri iminga. Mbara bataisana gito somo chori bwa itete murayo bono nero murai ero Mugambi bono ko bana siasa either bo opposition ande batera niyo de wana murai wese umukuru no opposition nini inumero
siganda go kanya gaki anjere eke otanga nkona bateba bare igora tutebin barabia bagoteba
kose ne serikali ya kwa
onye ne serikali namba ibere umurai gwedete tu yasago
yes
into aroche Raila gakugenda budget parliament karibu abana bananchi nini tutakubwatirira imiti
yapatayo momorari.
Okay.
A few simple questions.
Yes.
Ituwanjira natenga cabinet secretaries actually very incompetent. Abange majority of them.
Okay.
No really the history that the corruption cases. Abande bari be manyeti buye ko ngaski babana tabakara. That is why GPS chara could try to get specifically chibare.
Okay.
No position ya bachara incompetent.
That
is our first failure. The reason as to how the bapara. Namba ivere. Ektoro Rutaro for a campaign. It could go without an attack tax. In the first government financial year, 2023-2024, I can amend the tax. 2024, 2022, 2023, I can amend that. 2024, 2023, I amend it. Continuous.
Okay.
Now, in your opposition, I'm going Ukungaini woka majority abantu bari incompetent kore campaign in fact na ko wanatanga CPC na chikonye siria.
Okay.
Among those things
abantu
anga bakaka because maana bara una njeti na wanja na CPC because they were there to exist. Aso mwe buri obwate si abana ba CPC as much as bari mu bari ba na baranje support bari ba kire bara ikara se chisemira ba yure chisora bari so useless.
Okay, according to you.
According to me.
Yeah.
Kwa hiyo kwenye CPC wasema na
bad.
CPC ukiwa confused. Serikali yo ekagaje grasi secondary school ya junior secondary.
Okay.
Billions of money. Ende achire abana abo bado bado secondary bado basomero patikere primary.
Okay.
Echeje abo achire grasi primary. So there will these failures as much as yata tayari na abana abatumira opposition kwa sababu kwa kumoja kwa abo matiani uso kwa abo whatever. Yato mbigo. Ebinti ni baba kwa dio banyaka. Comment tax, unnecessary tax like now. No, any tax you got to pay in the gold. Yes, I could hear say five. Tax here the gold. Farah. Farah, you look at my was a good year. Tax in the gold. Farah, second Kings 23, 33, 36. Yeah. What are the commended the tax in the gold? The tax in the gold. Was a good year, Matthew 17. 24 to 27. Na wewe unakana tawana baba tax. Wana tuwate kwa ekia Caesar give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. He agrees but he doesn't say I want about the tax. No he is not an tax because he was not taxed. Because he mutrara abur dia se Bible dil tod ketika berengas pona ge lakini yo boy tadi ni ba de kulunga sa mutrara abur tengah lagi ngako umugambi ngago tax. Na abana ba yabo taxi gusini olia kama itainga ni tutura kwa taxi akamatanga ndio ana bari kwa taxi bana bari kwa taxi na dia mutemene agenda roche esuko tako korobia ntame ko inyo kwa nyoro kwa yango murayo. Okay. And then asinili and then there is another verse asabra ma with 10%. Okay. Ya maria ya ose bintu bia ya wa to all is well. I taking it del somebody members eroi inki agar data mo oyo ga mo eta fast oyo ga pelesati Abraham fast Abraham ga ma ina me dio sa tax on to inki aka para ile ya ka barato to ana libi which we are supposed to give 10%. Okay. Rather than go to ibera keden karo ay keden karo kwa you agree serikali ndio ndio kuruhusiwa bango ikili keteketana. Yes. Lakini egento ore otegwanje na kiringa at least eko egento beto mai kuruhusiwa. Do something riko na wana kwa bali kama taxi. Bona ngajota kwa taxi umwana endele mugwashiri ko kiriye. Kwa nero bwana traso SMS bire kile kionda ya ko hata. Litangane. Serikali ndi ya cheta office. Mwaka wichiri bibere na 22. Unyure and it's there on the other side na bongo kwana WhatsApp onya goka YouTube origere juni mpadi akabata elinga serikali ya rated incompetent people lakini okoma mwanjire ila nabo twabatigire okay chundi mpadi told them that okay wani niga
You know what the problem is? I don't need to be labor.
Okay.
Namba ibere. Andonsi pi tiganko bodi no nyana jerero marari kunorega. Ila sio korangwa kanure sutu kwa
Okay. Kingo yagira rende na kingo bana kingo jemeru.
abana bawe nyabakonyonya I hope no bwata abana ekobwakanwa nakyo okogora omugati nyomba tarigo oraisa kogora omugati nyomba otaiko chiegasi naigwaro chiegasi
unless you
igekwa kyagera onyore
kabesa
ing'orago kabesi ekerama eteng'aya maserai.
Okay.
Omuntu orumwao oreire umanyite ng'aya twigo kigasi ago kabesi nonye nogo ndigangobori sio kobaya inje no musikeri jadi ntodega ikikyara waturange
gosinese ni mwecho ogete
abantu batari ngisiko kwekora
abantu barego.
Thank you. I'm telling you now, in accounting yetu bwatenga in every income there has to be an expenditure.
Okay.
One of the things as the chairman of finance, again, don't get content creation.
Okay.
There, TikTok.
Yes.
Can you give me TikTok Kenya? Nero. Teyo. TikTok Kenya yacha?
Yeah, China.
Again, don't get Facebook. Facebook Kenya nero?
America.
Toge ndege YouTube.
America bado.
Inkwaro ra America just last month. Bakarangeri omuntu o TikTok oyo Facebook bakubabori na watu sareri compensators nkwaro na America egane tigosieka TikTok taribo kenyero wachire TikTok amada bone keroko losie bagane tikuwo tax where is their cost indi Kenya takora roseri umaite kerugo sabe bango. Okay? For me, no umwana goja kurukwiri etariane neba tarinje mwigorete ikacha amenya bwana.
Okay.
Obana usobori. Bona kero tugosa bumuntu content creator twamanya ko mwaki tax. Tax yitoko mwaki tari igekoro Europe.
Okay.
Igekoro China na buba ari toko wake. Twamanya ko gabi renta. Where is our genuine
competition contribution to it kana so muke SMS trigger ga ibere chuka iga mun gwara gurkunga target aga tabana mimi ni James from Yambage. Ukweli maisha ni ngumu, wa Kenya wasilale waombe sana aba Kenya bagoriki basabe sana alafu nari gane na bayo tabana kim youth pressure should cut across national government and county governments igo atanaba pressure igo na litsensa mama mboga boda shopkeepers building developers, etc., are taxed at county level. They also prepare and present their finance bill to the county assembly. Do they allow public participation for scrutiny? Taxation at county level is equally hurting to common people. Engineer Ochieng Sebastian.
I will answer in that.
Okay.
Thank you. My people perish
because of
lack of
ignorance.
At the county level, we don't have taxes. Levies.
Okay.
Taxes are at national level. Okay? At county level, we are talking of levies.
Okay.
Of which I want to agree with him. What about the He's in level 6. I know Moradia. If I said in a month.
Think what the exact
You see, the problem, that is the problem. And that's the catchphrase.
Yes.
Are we the people who are not paying? Ekero tugukwana bono togende chiro ya Bunyanja togende chiro ya Nyamage togende zwe tibesede njokoraki ekorenta and inyorega it's also on record there so that abantu baitu bamanye omuntu agatwarire omwambassador enkokurene baga ototera choices have consequences.
Okay.
The people we choose they can only give what they have, because what they have, you know, it's garbage in,
Garbage out.
or it's honey in, honey out.
Okay.
Terrible. Omuntu my brother oriete chingende. Okay? No muntu oriete amagena, no muntu oriete spaghetti. Inda ya watu ikuruma the same.
Yeah, but
No, I want to finish this.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying is when we are talking of county governments, it's a different animal all together. Let us first deal with the national government
Okay.
and the taxation. And when we mix issues, that's where we get confused.
Okay. Biamono kigima. Ngoja na swali. Victor Sultan Obani. Tabana Gen Z should now get into churches. People are tired of stories about the Israelites that they have no relation to. Same stories are being used by politicians to overtax us. What the young generation needs is a gospel that they can relate to, from church to politics. Abasae bayirane kanisa ime naro bamiyokanie na abarandi bajya bagere bakagotora information tutariko relate nero tukadurane ase speech umurai kwese yarwete igoro before agenda so musangire kanoria o space mwanyirigereti speech ya kwanitaria murai kwese na tebete na bono ekirugo kiasi esikige kia constitutional na bono wetu kutre imigati tu bya
asini
okay
tage tugute assessment yani nada watse si pura ke yarenge era bedroom ego no kere taga dare ko kise gutiare aga chalenda jombe yani wherever it was
Okay.
in fact yage to get closer to him
It's not
tachi ego kere
you got to engage you totally.
no suspension no kere
Okay.
why is he suspended
But in the meantime,
eno rende data ko veka bia nga suspension tata ingo getu gutire
okay. State corporation dissolution. 47 state corporation jabete dissolved. Akamegotera bantu barajya roja ko bapisobuti asichi ministry chinde. Odo de wonte binga konyi murai gweze tamanye tibinde bibiro.
awonte gete ko boliga onye
Kwa kurangana nduma komboli.
ndete ko boli ma
Okay.
okay in other words go rende tuwo ko boli
Okay, good.
esa bawe bagara president nya ko speech ye tara ya ko tara isiko na ko ba ya agency yaro agency kare ba ko na mana ba ta ya no sia adis so vije para status dice
No va a tabargo.
in kia dice no ta yo ko ruwa corruption what and what in kia jerete kara mo ta ko na ya si mu je sine raje ta ko bwana kia ko create ye maswali ya na no nya maji kia ko dissolve ri kia ko dissolve
Cutting cost.
which costs, because most of the corruption that we are talking of, like now, there are some parastatals that you are doing. Lakini sasa kwa kaya no tuma njitai kwa ya chiwe asa kile chiwe ja asiyeta ase parastato chiari yerwa na barabu ba chiya bakubwa tako ndio kutonga indala. For example, yeye kenga kinga bono abana mibara hata mwesukari. Lakini MSC ye jaje. Ndo bwate director ye ka ya sodi. CEO ekarisi bi MSC hiyo. Imesiye kara ya wana tugu. Ima mena te sukari. Huko kwa tupanyo ranese.
Serikali.
Nama kwa wata taxi ya bana inki. Bachi kwa kanda wa lemya. Ye kinga kikete muna bana wata ya bale ngase pena sikiri nyara koranga abana bali bide kawa. Ngwana bara kwa 6 billion. Ima tusinde chiyaki. Baada ya bana maybe muta irete loan. Chikawa chia chikaruara nini kusembule gatu chikasareka. Kande ya bero ma dire tradition ida in central Kenya. I remember garo ruwa renge minister ya finance ya kana helicopter akara ito of chiloni. Tare rumnari president se intubo ramna busia kwa mfano kuchimbia bete kiyacha. Tubo ramna busia iko kwa na wana wetu kwa school. Na achire no yiri elon. Kurwe kusembusi mwalimu sako kusemke pesi kusemko cooperative. Pero ni na ile mwana wa school. Na musuku mire ko primary ka ko ikira secondary ko ri ronyo ri Ningi na nela ali kwa kio mbura eroni mwangete mwana yake hii kwenye serikali biere ito mpungi bana ingore de sachi lonso tebi ko ari ebi abantu baba kutonga ina ba tu ya kila zeto for indirect campaigns ko beta abantu mu tebi ntegwe to kusira
Okay.
bisiripi na bono umuntu ana ile aro chenga abantu ba ko de mamaro probably ngurwe kabira yae ko da batere na muna fertilizer subsidy Why are you subsidizing fertilizer?
abari banyore kibagari ndeba endagire kine
Aba ekine haona kingo ko. Onye keire, onye kana na abati agia tu ati kule mogusia. Ngoke anda agusia for example tu ati mama nero mugambi. Mbako tokere nende fisi ya saidi. Bata na aba moino ga mo ya di fertilizer yabo. Na aba na school. Bata usire to only fisi. I mean that we Kenyans.
Piamono. But the protest was about rejection of the finance bill. Gen Z was petitioning Parliament to reject the bill. Procedurally, I think MPs would have waited for Gen Z to receive the petition. But instead, the police were obstructing people enjoying their constitutional right. And Gen Z has opened the eyes of many people.
Eke can answer. Eke ago kwa na nekia. Lakini that's not the procedure.
Procedure na kiri.
Procedure ndo wete ndo iko kuna public participation. Which I told you nganda correctly. Injo monyene as the chairman of finance, and I will repeat. I even did a petition to the Senate, to the National Assembly, and I defended it.
Okay.
In a person. Because of the 89 political parties plus Azimio, which makes 90, I'm the chairman of finance.
Okay.
And we rejected, and it's here. If you want, I think I've sent it to you before. If you
okay.
Chenisi gari ke ibango kora gari litoko genda. Iko ya renge ukugoro komo mageka. One step too late. But kyo to egwanje tuga a problem ngaye.
Onye mo the public participation
Which was ignored.
Intigeba tu igete gai. Onye mo korete indeed public participation ne koride. Inkirenda bantu bari kwangire kiyagara. Onye bachenda bakarubirangire byabo. Ikiyeko na ndeba kunyange petition bati kwange finance bill nine.
Is he saying njo? Ngonyo more. Nyoko kandi ringo mojo yoko nyombe wako igora kabere kwangire kwarendiro umuntu ya otagete nyoka mwanje nyoko ta kumwanja advance adio. Now this is where the issue is. This is the problem. Ruto teraringe ko campaign President Ruto. Not Ruto. I don't want to be disrespectful.
President Ruto.
President Ruto kerengo campaign while he was vice president, deputy president.
Yeah.
Ingaringo totajinga wajinga
wamekwisha Kenya. Good.
Lakini what I'm seeing in telling us nilinga wajinga wameongezeka Kenya.
According to actions.
And I want to go with facts.
Okay.
To attend 47 parastatus. Tell me whatever. How do we create parastatus? No. That is an act of parliament. So you cannot hold a press conference and nullify a parastatus. Not one, let alone 47. So what you talk about 47 parastatus, no? Go describe to Number one, wajinga. I want to remind our president, wajinga walifanya nini? Waliisha. But what he can tell us is, I will see how to realign government.
Okay.
Lakini parastatus, which take an act of parliament, can only take another act of parliament.
Okay.
In 10 days in Colorado, what we're doing, there is nothing is going to see in 10 days. In 10 days, I'm going to do any participation which I can give you here. Amendment period mpaka ninje naona naende tukayakora ekaroyaeka ikagenda na finance bill. The only thing he can do right now, he can only append his signature.
By Tuesday.
Lakini agani tiato tabi ya nero kora tani nero kayakora irini gare hata onyo oreta kayakora. Okay? Agi rani onyo ta ko yireni. Atale kora tia sauri ko. Okay.
On the same note, before Traja Zore, mura ibuze na tebetera ngo procedure committee na naro city committee akabeka abantu ime bachiko uri public debt lakini bero kuri se constitution kora ngana na ri ribo chekerera go kwanwa ige bone to kuri one office of the oyo how do we call office of control of budget. What is this?
Okay.
Auditor General. Yes. Office ya nere gwende kurigereria. That means na inde igona chiete mu michairi chiko. Sekera pronounce tina na chiko sie committee. Na inde already to wade SM gwende kurigereria. Inno gosemna babonke. What is it? Ingigo chiko kore kaneli inde e committee itegendra.
Uyo na gobe na gote yubu abudwasi bodia ngoto tawinga wajinga wameisha. Constitution handi teye mwetaro sie committee tubwato auditor general na mbeyemo ikari ngoto te inye committee eri agenda rore debt neri ngato bwata taribo igokanya ntomanyete anga ngoto te vinga na ki poniga twanyorire amadini yetu iganga na twarerire ebitabo ko twakorire audited reports igochinga na iga bona tigano osi egendo kegocha kuchungusaga lakini tani ya roho ingadi ati solve adi constitutional
tasini one of the reasons as to why the president anaenda kwa tax kama the wale date tukugata edeni tukugata tu asabete nyingi na rekora kwa tax na ndama yako kugata ati na tateri kama ite deni ya tiri na kio kama tax ujuwa kani deni kama ite deni.
Thank you.
Ini recommend turo chinge ina lakini hapa tayari haki speech ye wao to discuss jinsi ya garda akora atukoro lakini ya garda de ndio ya ta lakini na ta haki for 2 years as a president want to tell me to my thing de na ni akira ngeo onga ko teri ya bantu makichama to chiko ko rusio mo bere moja di utama idi mo bere kile sema nita kiru chuko chuko moja dia na kia auto changi to aka ni de atama idi
utama idi mo kwete ndaka utama idi mo kwete ni na jogo ko yo kwete to mai na ko kwete
lakini wala to mai idi moja dia ngi ngachire kwa gerie wa rasi WhatsApp group changa ini yake gara ndo changa kipo bero
aya senya rasa agree iwae dwa zengo tama ito yo kwete onya no magaka ngochanga mwere ko mama sikali hai saribu onya no mwana momo abaze mwana ayo toma itika do mwana kwete no ngina no magaka yo no mbe go sebe go no mfanyika
wao mgambe kwa kana jestera wengine siku hizi bonsi wa waweke no magaka mo ngine wano macho bomba tangala
ngogata ngogori na tebetene ki reduction ya advisors ba yego ika 20%. Kwa mbali ngakabugata aba baje okay ubona ina gata office ya first lady, second lady na spouse ya cabinet prime cabinet secretary echichonsi chirusi wororo elinde kwani kina chibesa nchitoke chisainde chitu kogenda se amangana gi budget. What do you say on that?
Eti yangu asa muno manya biashara.
Yeah.
Kero koroseriye product ya urigori ama guri nabo koroseriya eri go chiko discount anya ko maite anya ne esimire yo ta chiko nya ni eri 10 nabo go chaka na 15,000 after a few weeks atanga kwa rule discount wana karawa dari okay anya onege te 200 so what target ye ake iweke 100 otarake
Kime sasa mbona go save from there.
And about ekina kigo chukwa ni leo ya kikorato ma. Whatever the saving ya whatever. You are supposed to be an anteria. Ne project it.
Okay.
For example, kuna bana hata tena trip and necessary trips what and what
kuna cut down.
Kwa say government officers. Chile ya sahihi ngao chiko save. Kwa mfano bana jana bitiana. Nje minister for the agriculture. Whatever trips kuna president kwa road there are no trips.
Yeah.
I have saved around 100 for trips na saved around 100 million. What if I say 100 million yechi? Ngakere chinje chio sichosi pira.
Renovation.
Is that not a waste still? So chile say chiga wana teria ko si nakitoko chiko. Na ile kia kana bona jera expenses to pura the corruption. Kwa sababu sisi corruption
watu kule na ongeza na serikali yeje.
Ndio mo kongo. Ekero mu kwananga office of the first lady, second lady, even third lady, and the first daughter, and the boyfriend of the first daughter. Okay? If you name into it, unconstitutional. lakini mogondo umaiteke ongonya abantu tugukwanirana imote birinko na chari igindukira ni constitutional nambe yemo panga igona nyoranga naki he has apologized he has been running an unconstitutional office amanya taringa for the time tu akorire gaiga tibe yasana inde tari chibono bege chirichinde chiarengo how are we recovering them amanya watu tege komoto de wala ye ofisi ya Mudavadi ngina go sen cabinet this yoka ya Mudavadi very constitutional ina kibono to kuruhusi mukai mukomo dotari constitutional tumanya ko tugomo dotari constitutional na mukai tu lakini unajinda walisha
lakini evidence gokorekana bushubwa ababunge bakwendete go take to task y'umurai
babunge kiaba I can tell you we used to have omumurorenge useno mwako ngo kunga Michael kijana wa Malwa. I remember when I was in class 7 apologize in parliament. Do you know what he said? Alisema hawa mawaziri ni kama sanamu. Okay? Akatebuna apologize. Akateba si kusema ni sanamu. Akateba there is a simile and a metaphor. I used a simile ni kama sanamu. Abajumba abayigabayito sasa barawe mbali kama sanamu. Wao ni sanamu. So we don't have anybody. You cannot have a dead child as stillborn. Umuntu wegonyire umwana ukiro kwete. Umwana uyoja korokwerieta
asinini mugambi like now a practical example.
Yeah.
Enyomba ya deputy president ya gajin 400 million. One was 600 million for innovation. Ruta Chetega, the president said, okay, you buy 50%. You want to buy with 300 million to innovate, you buy 400 million. Don't you think that is a big joke? Don't you think they are joking with that? His speech, I don't know. It's like things are bad. I don't know, things are not good. Then Rintondiro Evio Neho.
No, what the big practical.
No, go to say no, before telling me to go to say that when I was not of this, as now 300 million. Who want to manage Godiaro Musara was allowed of 300,000 per month. How many things you buy it took? Yes,
yes.
And I was
okay.
Do we really need this house? Because was it Agato and Antonio Coronone, Amutato and yes, was a card to up to I was allowed Omontero, Mejato, I support Yakanu, Tiagra, and Nobacaja, and the Waganetax. But here's my question. That's what I was saying. Wajinga was finally Walisha. You make a 400 million. No. As in you there's something you don't understand. Here I am. Now you get one my time. Mantalanga Garutana Bakuna. Go to get 10 years and I can't get. Now, one and I what if a company out. No need it. You give me a salary of 500,000 per month. In this salary, no, the 3,000 allowance of 100,000. I don't know to do nothing, just go over in your buy. Then there was a company. I don't know allowance. I would not go.
Okay.
That's where I was saying no one to make any. You are talking woman to Menyate, or you are the vice president. I'm talking of employee.
Okay.
Oh, my Biganda, what president, the Menyati, State House. Omonto we community State House in Quebec. So in the state house, I can tell you, no take a look and like a man. So
supporting very simple question. Are you supporting it all Montenegro man to Mao Salawe?
Oje go
Yes or no?
No, I'm not supporting. No, what I was saying is employees, which is different from what you are talking about. Employees wali wala kororo ndo ezeka ke bago chikubutwa. Oje ganga le vice president. Are you seeing?
No, ba kubutwa. It's like this, my brother. It's very simple. I'm being given now Salawe change your mandamenti. What will be so wrong na banta bari kirega kunyu musara batario baragas. It's just the same.
But anyway, what I was saying is this. Tukagatia nyumba na 400 million.
Yes.
Okay? We are renovating na 600 million.
We requested.
Ya money recover halved
to 300
million. Namu, ejene nyumba, umaita kerodi riya inkwagacho. Including amagene para no yaringe kwa jerosi. Including yo banyasi obosumikire no including yemete no yari including umusingi no igona ekera noje bake plan ya architecture ubaratika iganye kato kubeka na approval plan kile kama enyombe yene pia 300 million. But no, without the plan, without the we are renovating for 300. No, inflation effect. Lakini hapa kwa vina na kii wajinga walifanya nini?
Walikwisha. Wadiri daga chinke. Mukwa nderega. Todiri daga komijuka igali de chiwe chinsa isano chobutu kubwa lero. Ngendo grega iga. Civil servant. Kakiti manye diyo sembra biya ba akale kukwa nderwa. 60 years. Civil servant. Is that okay? Abantu bari elected kusaba abacholi rimna yabo mo naraba konya kwagiwa bange ngayabo aba minister ba yabange. Appointed, but elected. He go over 60 years. Ekyo mukwanire na ki, what about the 60-year mark ijate betena? Tiligo comment was abantu bande bale serikali. Na inde otene nichia hampe. One of those kwanira SSMA yu abantu bale 60 years and above abate betena bale comment myakende na bugo nichia hampe. Inde tuskobo sia sinini tokore kwa kuchinsa chair.
Nda respond gore ya hampe. Okana harambe turakana boy. Wana taro jenga chia ramna hiyo kwa garo hivi kwa chatiga ganda se ba kuiba kuru. Akano hivi. Because na ona wangu andra kuiba yo anare kuira harambe ngira sana. Igon gina par gina ko. So ile ndio to ngani chat reaction. I don't know. Haramba ko kana bono. Umuntu mwivi no mwivi.
Okay.
Igora ya miaka 60. Mwabera wako respond because
miaka 60 no.
Miaka 60 rakero is our retirement age and asugo chigoro. When you having these Genesis, they are talking about the man that go 50 retire. Number 2, arambe ngeko yarame mechando. Rusia mechando ntogenda arambe. Bona are you telling me na inche onye kinde public servant? Omuntu seito kule. Ti woseo areja kitati mojangera. Because ina no kandi
onye no gutanga kwa de akiara nyare go
gutanga.
Like na
se commercial.
Sasa kitobo no tutika arande twaje ukasataka marum twaje bana no korwo gwekene umuntu nabwate cancer is very rampant.
Nani bana tunyegeta alikira kete for that.
I think aramba nete ngirikia Chiama Marabaye. That is what we call it. The party communication.
No, arambaka netega muimoki ebeza neguli. Lakini genda mchanga. Lakini muimoki ebeza neguli.
Ada mweba ondele kuba.
Engineer opulence iri ariko kwarira. Tosguru wako. Bono one general question. According to you. Storm yo murai kwe sina kia hanyando. In a scale of 1 to 10.
1 to 10? 3.
Why do you say so?
I told you Kiona Chaka, Pinarua Magombane, it was a step too late. And I have no problem. Bunabono did you check after Amanda Mano? Agajako Kabantonga criminals. Akamani with the following day, I can speech and God wait over to Kobodia. There is one thing, Ekero. In a crisis, we need a leader.
Okay.
Not a catch-up. Ruto is playing catch-up. I have a friend of mine who's a judge. okabaire prosecutor ganta betinga anytime ekeruga netukubwekina don't let the prosecuted akuguide. The prosecutor should guide you akukuboria maboria okaraki angaruto igachete that day anganabia acheta batevinga na adigere na atigere tindi go saidia mangana aya toje tuikaranze tokwane angabinte binto karati tobiroji. Actually I give him a 2 and I'll give him a 5 because I strongly believe paka wani na changanyike. It was a great thing to get that I expected. Na panic is under panic mode. Yani na changanyike ile by next week probably na litera so kumanyanga tora mo handle ya boni ngatamanyi tingia wa no to be implemented ko genda guchia oyo moteri ke oyo do abagaka babatu cyane te kanisa au barangeri baitari baragira ba mu balance bose bari nabo batujyanira batike ko genda ari bamuciye amasabo abantu bona ndwere kanisa tari ko genda bose Yesu ogako irana
na tuwe
ba musabeira mono no mono nyora ko genda okire.
Okay. Kwa kama president.
Yes.
No tuleka abono kwa gambira nabasaye ane ko tabari sabaza badere ma.
Yeah.
Ko tabari ma mingo soka bari ba. Ngikora ko kura. Istombe no rega tia kwa ndere uwete bai ko tinja. Kwa finance bill kwa nyiri ko nyurutase. Kwa kiri ko rage bite ko banda wote ba either it goes go sari sia for a cabinet Josephine. Yo gusanye tayo sia for kwa zangi rusho ale ngekera Kibaki na kwa ko. Mheshimiwa Kibaki 2005 ye referendum ebintu bya musana kwete Raila bakanda gucyana abandi abo urugucya akanye rushopi agachaka fresh kwa ko ba nayo murayigweze going forward ndikora
na ko be president number 1 ebintu byonsi bi accumulate ko chakocha any bill ya itetigwe abakenya ba resisted ngabamuna nabanyigatera yani ko bankatumiyege kuba iki cyose kimateneji cyo kinarikora agirusi muri housing levy lakini insurance serious ilikuwa nyoranga ondi kire company sasa wewe se company ya nene bwa ne turajerete insurance kwa magoro wa itirichi komuna okenya ndo bwens le bano wa insurance medical cover ende kurwa sikete ndibutule you don't feel like a Kenyan, you feel like I know umuntu bwese de ngao ne ndi yo kubeteri wo onache teri ko korake de wa kwenda kali kwaro teri kunyagita no kumuntu wa ona ko ba ende tangani ende yo sikira basa housing levy ende chief ende gabana ka levy land taxation circulation de ko genda ebinte bibionsi igonara ko kutumia richi ko ni chinguru chi arana ri ko para kwana tu bose na bwata numbers dira ni baki tu parliament de rusi goro namba 2 tira ko kaki bara ko rande ta ko president egen to kende bantu bande mos ko to kusio kusibwa Kenya kwanza.
Yes.
You know you can talk shungwa usoro abanda bararo kanti ba Kenya kwanza bari onara ko batari bari bisapi umuntu muna akosike when you are requesting to meet agencies wakorera ansari kosike.
Yes.
No
Right underground
ona ari kuriye kabira yete nga
bagende underground ko bisa bakore
okay ekene nara ora
yeah
cabinet ya nero ona ari gutuguta
Josephine
tribodi simwa se chigasi chimu wapointi abantu ona ari gusho ona ari chaka patekera ga bakeri
elinde kuroro kujaga president ndio jaga bi
corruption no nyekida corrupt na ari chaka bodi nero ruthlessly because corruption is motive
na ndio opportunity ngiye na romba ibe sai ka
nje wata
wala ko kora ekero ko ndinga na hayo mwa itoso
asa nje sabasaba eroro for me I see it as an opportunity for the president to redeem.
Okay.
Igona ngoti abakora bandamano. Bone kero bakorire. Birina rengo jakore ngaki anu manye kubikora bono. Imanye kurwaro basabe karaki. Bono narorire mwakire. Bono tigatwikaranse. Biri ikyagera bono nkoibora basini abata banga taiko nyakomorete. Kyatari ero ro manyane. Omanye kurwo bwire yayo manyano matengana ki. Into bono tokore biki. Turega twakore lakini tiganga kiraba abarigereri baito ngambia mono asoba twari bageri naye mbiyamana asoba twari baga naende aba murabaito ni nuchi inguru cyeito imotiga abu araze mwabwateire naende mwenye speech yo mheshimiwa Nyonga igongo batenga ya abamura baito abaseke abasai baito bwate gabo no tore maega yaino naende njubono ase byama byeto ne kyama kya KNC injumozi chororo mokore kirikiri bwenete gukora bonya yo space mwire Kenya mutimotu
Kenya schools.
ario abwaro imogoso
Okay.
gendera
Njona yo mwayo. Kato sieka.
Egento ndabatera ingeri nka asante sana swali mwatu wali babategera
Yeah.
na ora nyore na itunda tora tusakanya orobo gambio maybe na botra abe was kubo mu gambio ro lakini si atatu orobo siburi bwo gukwana no muntu kara nyore kanyara angio bero mu gambi mwereso gumai tigatete nero maene lakini una abakenya ngokurira ati atigato chenji twabira abantu aba cyo biziche serikali umwana uminto igokire igogo ikoro yande karo bwate yishigo cyo kubigurira bona to ndabona gorera ngande president itu abanyarenza turi bikone
Okay.
asante sana na bari bana babaye ba umyaka rokya maandamano bari babwata amatanga turi na ine ya spiritually aki mutu ale chinguru mo nyale ko handle mangana asante.
Okay. Yo mo ba keso goja e mo ga engi ya bono ili bitwara ko so ili italia ke go kigima yo mo wanchu mo ngeria e yo ko kwa DTV ko wanchu mo kusi che ko kwa jot bati itanga ni gotware ke na ya mose kuru sese mo yo mo be manyerio kuru sese mo ya kabiri boni ga e producer mo ro ga ko kwa Petra di Mokeira ere o tu quattro mo yo wika bono yo mo kigima ima di so message de da ti ko pre no na ti ko so ko kwa bera gran numero di mo mo goja e credo che andrete e qui Robert prima ma non sia sa che con quello buona creatura ma sia sa avanti ma qua qua di titolo che bari bari che sia adesso chiamano prima poi cagai io provo io no e di cui tipo molto goja e che sto bene a mettere e che questo qua ne chiamano da chiamano da goja asante chiamano